Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to look at the new reinstallation feature on Windows 11 that allows you to reinstall the operating system through Windows Update, keeping your files, apps, and settings. This feature will reinstall the same version of Windows already available on your computer, and you can use it to fix performance issues, file corruptions, and other errors that may be affecting your device. At the time of this recording, this feature is available through the beta channel on the Windows Insider program, but it should roll out to everyone soon. Okay, let's dive into the steps. First, open Start and look for Settings. Then go to System and then open the Recovery Settings. In here, you're going to find this Fix Problems using Windows Update, and then click the Reinstall Now button. You can read some information about the feature. If you want the computer to reinstall automatically, check this option and then click OK. Now, Windows Update will download the same version of Windows that you have already installed on your computer, and as you can see, it's labeled Prepare Version. After Windows Update completes the process, you will need to restart the computer to complete the reinstallation of Windows 11. And to do that, you can click the Restart Now button, and if you check the option to restart automatically, after 15 minutes, the computer will restart automatically. And that's it. The process takes about 20 to 30 minutes, but it will depend on the hardware and the internet connection that you have on your computer. Also, you don't need to go to any type of configuration because this is a reinstallation of the operating system and we're not doing a clean installation. Also, after the process, all your files, settings, and app will be kept. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.